How to buy VentureMind AI token. So this token came under the symbol of VNTR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token it's available on CoinMarketCap. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click on markets here. As you can see, you will be able to find the Ethereum, MEXC. So if you have an account on MEXC, click on pair here, the link. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go and find the referral link on this down in the description. Go and create an account on MEXC, fund it with some USDT. So if you want, so of course. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, click here. And as you can see, it will be redirected to this page of Venture token to buy it. So make sure to log into your account. So after that, what you need to do, go here and click on limited or the market is the same. Type here how much you want to buy. And now after that, you will be able to see here how much you will be pay of USDT to be able to buy this token. So if you click on market, just drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after you set the percentage of USDT that you will use, click on buying a VNTR and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy VNTR token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.